Take a ride in the 2023 Canyon. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, running boards, stability control, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, electronic messaging assistance with read function.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries.